If you've been thinking about buying the COSWHEEL R19 electric dirt bike, here's a quick real-world style review to help you decide. I've been looking into this bike and testing feedback from riders, and overall, it's a solid mid-range electric dirt option with a few trade-offs. The acceleration feels punchy for off-road trails, and the battery life is decent for casual weekend rides, though not extreme long-distance sessions. Build quality is generally strong, but it's still important to ride it within its limits if you want it to last. On the downside, charging time is a bit slow, and it's not the lightest bike if you plan to transport it often. So for riders who want a fun, entry-level electric dirt bike for trails and short adventures, this could be a good fit. But if you're expecting high-performance motocross-level power, you'll probably need to look at higher-end models instead. Overall, I'd say it's worth considering if your expectations match what it actually offers. Let me know in comments if you'd buy it or skip it below.